Hi everyone, thanks for watching Trexpat. In this episode I'm going to Mihintale. Let's go!
Mihintale is really close to Anuradhapura, and it's one of the first places that Buddhism really became popular in Sri Lanka. It's about a 20-minute drive, but I took a bike.
Should be a nice bike ride. I just biked an hour and now I have this to look forward to.
It's compulsory to remove one's shoes before going to the holy site. Just watch out for this. And these metal beams and nails. Alright, I can't complain. The view from the top was spectacular. Look out, Queen Diva Buddha. So I finally climbed down this endless number of stairs and wanted a refreshment.
And in this whole row of shops, not one coconut.
Totally tired and sweaty, I was excited to whip out my tuxedo, but... So I did what I was dreading for hours and started the long, arduous bike ride back home. I was feeling good when I beat this farm equipment, but then it was soon apparent that I was out of my league on this main highway. The tropical sun beating down me.
god, I just crashed into this car. It's like the community is around. Although the entire town is now on it.
Before this point, I was super annoyed that tourists have to pay 25 to 60 times the amount of a local. But I guess if that money's going into the historical sites plus the tourist police who literally just repaired my bicycle on the spot, just like that, then I'm okay with that.
The helpful policeman.
And all was well. The end.